I want to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, because this is a development has come to virtually a standstill. And no, I'm just saying generally. So in order to bring about vibrancy back in this particular state, and a lot of people's projects are pending because of no clarity on the regional plan, will the Chief Minister consider finding a sort of an in-between way by going through that regional plan at that stage when you take it up, going through the nitty-gritties of the 2021 rather than going into the whole process again and keeping it notified, or you want to once again carry out a consultative process which can be again time-consuming and long-drawn, leaving everything at standstill. So I just want to get a little clarity what will happen.
स्पीकर सर जी थोडीशी क्लॅरिटी दिवंक सोदता, चड हांव क्लॅरिटी दिना, कारण चड क्लॅरिटी दिल्यार चड कोफुलो आतांच पासून सुरू करतले. रिजनल प्लॅनाच्या संदर्भात इतलेंच सांगता की पूर्ण कन्सल्टेटिव्ह प्रोसिजर मुळा पासून करपाची आवश्यकता ना. वी कॅन वेल डिफायन वॉट इज अ कन्सल्टेशन दॅट इज रिक्वायर्ड विथ विलेज पंचायत. एंड फाल्यां जर तूं रस्तो आसा जाल्यार विलेज पंचायतीच्यान नॅशनल हायवे वता जाल्यार तो कितलो रुंद आसप हे विलेज पंचायत ठरोवंक शकना, नॅशनल हायवेचे नॉर्म्स आसा. तशें काही गोश्टी आहा, उदकाचे समजा कितें पायपलायन वचूंक जाय, विलेज पंचायत सांगूंक शकना उदकाची पायपलायन थंयच्यानूच वचूंक जाय आनी हांगाच्यानूच वचूंक जाय. सो देर आर सर्टन इनहेरंट एरियाज वेर विलेज पंचायत कॅन inform the government what they want. Like for example, how many new housing colonies they want or they don't want. That can be considered. But there are certain other projects which government will have to take the decision. They can give suggestion. So there will be limited consultation and it is not going to be the comprehensive from bottom. Lot of exercise has been done. What is good in 2021 will be retained. What is questionable can be reframed.
Leaving that mining issue aside, whether some sort of a time frame can be fixed by the Honorable Chief Minister so that it can move forward.
Without giving assurance, कारण फाल्या पेपराचेर हेडलायन मारतले अमके दिसा रिजनल प्लान जातलो, हांवें एश्युरन्स दिना. But after the budget session is over, we can start the exercise of regional plan. And I intend to take all stakeholders into confidence, because last time I had said September. But unluckily, September was the month when the mining, everything issue erupted. So I had to keep it under hold. So after April, as informed earlier, tentatively we are thinking of around 18th of March for the budget session, which will continue up to the end of April. I intend to give more days for the members to raise issues. After that, we can start the process, because May, June, July, these are the 3 months where MLAs and everyone will be not having burden on them. We can do that during that period.
Shri Alexa Lawrence.
Sir, there was an issue last time when the regional plan was there, that when the regional plan was formulated, that all settlement areas were removed. That means existing settlement areas were removed and made non-agricultural. Like could be orchard, could be anything. For example, in my...
उल्टे म्हणले तुवें. परत repeat कर. Repeat it again.
Settlement areas have been made agricultural areas. One second. I'll complete kota. Now what has happened is, the people, lokage problem, what people were saying, what my constituency people had problems. Lokage problem ha. Settlement area ahli ti tui काढल्या आणि दुसरी घातल्या ते adjustment दाखोवपा ते settlement उरलो म्हूण. This was the clear cut case. So अश भाशेन जावपा जायना की कोणागे existing settlement areas ते उरपा जायो. Any settlement त्यो कारण दुसरी घालपा ना. So I am requesting the Chief Minister, existing settlement areas उरतल्यो काय नाही, काय आणि किती करतले तेजेरी. Because existing settlement areas, see what happens, because I'll give an example. एक कोण एकल्यान owner of the land गरीब जायत, तो बट आपणागे इलेक्शन लँड 4 जाण भावांमध्ये सेटल करता, 4 जाण भुरग्यांमध्ये सेटल करता, तेगे सडनली एक भावागे काडटा, सेटलमेंट कशी सरता. So what is the outcome? This was the big issue which I was always fighting with when my Chief Minister also was there. I was fighting with him. कि existing settlement areas, मास्टे ते existing settlement areas आहे ते उरनी.
तांका उत्तर
तो सांगता ते बरोबर आहा, कारण म्हजो स्वताचो ते एक प्लॉट 1987 सेटलमेंट केल्लो, पयलीं घेतलेलो आमदार जावचे पयलीं. तो सुद्दां हांव पयर म्हाका कोणे तरी येवन सांगलो की तुजो तो ऑर्केड केला म्हणून म्हाकाय खबर नाशिल्लें
Munglai kela speaker sir, one of my own plots only.
ते आय वॉज ऑल्सो टेकन
That was
बॅक
the reason. Okay, okay.
Speaker sir, I am clarifying that plot is my ancestral property. That is not my business plot.
म्हाका सर्वे नंबर दी हांव एक्वायर
That is
करता
not my business plot. This was the issue which was discussed in the Gram Sabha.
Yeah.
This was the issue which was discussed in the Gram Sabha, and in the Gram Sabha I had to face the music. So personal तू
Okay,
करे,
okay, it's
problem
okay. He's answering.
हांव त्याच खातीर सांगता की जी एरिया रिजनल प्लान 2021 बरी केल्या देर आर एरियाज वेर दे हॅव डन अ गुड जॉब वी वील कीप देम सेपरेट लेट मी पुट अ गुड टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट्स टू एनालायज ऑल दीस filter everything properly where original settlement has been now converted into non-settlement. All these aspects, we will give it to the technical experts, let them identify first. Then we can consider case-to-case basis. As you say, wherever there was already settlement, I see no reason why it should be converted into agricultural, because if it was already settlement, where is the question of putting agriculture there? So we will take into consideration those cases. तो उलटे उलयता तो म्हणटा सेटलमेंट आशिल्ली एग्रीकल्चर केल्या ताजी म्हणून
Shri Madkekar.
Because the Munge property lagon, I am not bothered about my properties. Because
nothing wrong about it.
No.
Sir, the only person who cannot fight for himself is me. I am very clear about it. Since I am the minister, I cannot consider any property owned by me for purpose of making it into a better position. Maybe I will do it after I retire. But he can make application because he is not in position to decide. Therefore, injustice, whether it is done on a very small person or very high person, can be corrected.
Speaker sir, one more thing.
Clear.
I am making a categorical statement that I don't want my property to be changed. Nor I am making an application
Because
also.
sir, this will happen even if he continues to attack me all the time. There is no problem.
Speaker sir, that's besides the point. That I will not stop.
मी बरी गोष्ट केला की सारकेंच सगळें करून तो फायनलायज करपाचो पेंडींग दवरला नो प्रॉब्लेम पूण तो पेंडींग दवरता आसतना तुमी जी एक गोष्ट केल्ली आसा रिजनल प्लॅना बरोबर जे रुल्स केल्ले आसा दॅट यू आर इम्प्लिमेंटींग फॉर एग्जाम्पल एरिया इफ द एरिया इज मोर दॅन 4000 यू आर अलाविंग ओनली 50% FIR ऑर समथींग पार्टली तुमी रुल्स इम्प्लिमेंट करता आनी मेन जो रिजनल प्लॅन आसा तो तुमी पेंडींग दवरलेलो आसा एक यू शूड बी कम विथ द क्लियर पॉलिसीज
रुल्स आसा तेच सांगलें हांवें we are implementing what is less. 2001 and 2021, if particular area in 2001 is settlement, it is also settlement in 2021. But in 2021, it is coming under village panchayat 2, suppose. 0.6 is the coverage. We permit only up to 0.6, though originally it was 0.8. So what is restrictive is being followed. कमी आसा ते दिता आमी सद्या एकदा रिजनल प्लॅन फायनल जालो की विशय सोंपलो मागीर कोणाक समजा 0.6 0.8 केले खंय
एक हांवें लास्ट सेशनाक हें केलें रिक्वेस्ट केलें रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर भरपूर गोंधळ जाल्लो आसा हे रिजनल प्लॅन तुमी फायनलायज करच्या पयलीं एकदां तेजेर हाफ एन आवर डिस्कशन हावजान जावचें कारण खुबशे नवे मेंबर्स इलेक्ट जाल्ले आसा आनी तो रिजनल प्लॅन करता आसतना कितले
जावच्या पयलीं म्हाका दिसता if you really want no unnecessary controversies before it is discussed in the house all MLAs has to be given briefing about the regional plan थंय तांचे प्रश्न उत्तर समजूं येता वर्सां पयलीं म्हाकाय समजनासलें टावन प्लॅनिंग आतां टावन प्लॅनिंगाची फायल आयली की हांव दुसऱ्या दिसा काडून दवरता वाचपाक खंयचीच चुकून सुद्दां सही पयलीं करना
सभापती महाशय आमी हांगा डिस्कस करता बरे प्लॅन करता सगळें करता पूण त्यो पंचायती ज्यो आसात काय ना थोडे सरपंच बिरपंच सर्रास म्हाका 4 प्लॉट दी कर रस्त्याक पसून हांवें विजिलन्साक कळयलें म्हणून म्हाजेर एक केस घातल्या पूण हांवें सांगलें एज पर सर्वे आय हॅव नॉट एनक्रोच्ड इन एनीबडीज प्रॉपर्टी काल परवाचे दीस फाटीं घेतली केस somebody from Panjim filed a case saying that you are encroached into my property. हांवें इतकेंच कळयलें विजिलन्साक विजिलन्सान कितें केलां हांव नकळो
कोण
कितकेशेच प्लॉट केल्या पंचायतीन रस्तो करून घेतला इलेक्ट्रीक कनेक्शन दिलां सगळ्यांक आनी 1200 रुपयान प्लॉट सगळे हे करून मोकळे जाले आनी 6 प्लॉट प्रत्येकान वांटून घेतले पंचायती हे सगळें जाता हांवें कंप्लेन केलें म्हणून म्हाजेर एक केस जातली हांवें सांगलें एज पर सर्वे आय हॅव नॉट एनक्रोच्ड इन एनीबडीज प्रॉपर्टी फाटी घेतली अशें चलना तेन्ना आमी हांगा प्लॅनिंग करता आनी ते त्या वाटेन आपणाक जाय तें करतात
Nilesh Cabral.
Sir, there is one point where I want to bring to Honorable CM. In areas like Kuchare, first it was 1.5 FAR, now it is 1 to 1 FAR. What has happened is people have already approved plans for 1.5 FAR. Ata they are not getting occupancy because new regional plan is saying 1 FAR.
Whoever is not giving them occupancy for an earlier sanction plan is making a mistake. We have very clear circular that those things which have been cleared before 9/4/2012 stands. It's a commitment. So if a case is there, let him write to me, I'll give him the clearance.
Okay, sir.
Sri Digambar Kamath.
Since Honorable Chief Minister referred to the ODPs, can I ask a small question on that? You had said that ODPs are not thrown open and they are actually made open, or you have issued a circular only for rectification. And rectification is a must. You have identified in that circular, you have given some points on which rectification can be done. One is judicial decisions. Second is minor errors as far as road alignments. But there is one line which creates confusion and which is little vague, which I feel you should try to rectify. Errors between original plan and the revised plan, wherein certain areas are omitted or wrongly zoned. This is creating a problem. And that is the reason why people are rushing to the PDA. For example, in Margam also they are rushing. They are saying that already you have been given powers to change the zone. Actually, you cannot change the zone. They cannot. But this line, I think this has to be redrafted, or at least make a point that that there should not be any change of zone.
It is not change of zone. What has happened sometime is a particular plot, if it is of a particular zoning pattern, न्यू हाजेर दाखयता आसतना पेंटाचो ब्रश मातसो आयल्यान आयला आनी इल्लोसो कुडकोचो तशा आकात ते
I will give an example. Now, once this circular was issued, many people came to me. I'll give you an example in Margam. In Margam, there is one case next to Don Bosco College of Engineering. There was one plot which was zoned as settlement, earlier ODP. In this ODP, when the new ODP was prepared, probably taking into consideration that it is required for further expansion of engineering college or whatever it is, this particular plot which was settlement has been zoned as institutional. Now, he comes and says that it is injustice to me, but we have no powers now to rectify that injustice because it has been a decision taken by the earlier committee, which is notified now. So, such type of cases cannot be considered. People have that apprehension that this particular line gives powers to PDS to change the zone. So I would request the Chief Minister.
First of all, it is not powers to PDA. PDA has to.
No, even then PDA can recommend, but I would suggest, because there will be tremendous pressure on all the PDA members. Everybody will start pressurizing.
Let them suggest anything and everything.
I would suggest.
We will filter it out.
I would suggest that if you can properly, wrong if you go through that.
I will go through it, but I clarify it here that you can't change the zone by this circular. It is only for small and technical errors. There are certain time technical errors of zoning. Tasle error asleल्या correction करू येता. Not intentional change in zone cannot be reverted back. But technically काही जाग्यार mistake झाल्या एक दोन बारीक.
He can, Mr. Speaker, sir, if a person is if he has a grievance, he can go in and appeal to the board. Board has powers.
Board has no
Please
power
see,
to change
so
the
many
zone.
times they change.
Prashnakal Saplo. Sunnekal. Sri Pramod Sawant.
बोर्डाक पावर ना.
Speaker, sir.
झोन चेंज करपाची ना, क्लॅरिफाय करपाची.